लागीं आज की तुमच्या खालती विनंती आमचो दीस आम्हाला करा देव बरें
Luiz Paulo Souza. पवित्र स्नानावरवीं आनी तें लोकांचेर शिवा लावन आपलें गवळीक मणियारपण सांकेतीक रितीन आरंभ करता. हे वेळी प्रवेश गीत आमच्या कट्टेरींतलें गायन मंडळी संगीत
joy. Ja novia diecesis solutum episcopum constituimus nove diocesis
with all of you on this memorable acts in communion with the entire College of Bishops under the successor of Peter, and has the right to receive the royal cooperation of his priests and the faithful. In this perspective, in his recent address to the newly appointed bishops of the mission countries, the Pope recommended, exhorted to them, watch over your flock, pay special attention to priests, guide them by your example, live in communion with them, be available to listen to them and to welcome them with a fatherly kindness. Keep your eyes fixed on Jesus, shepherd of shepherds. The world today needs a people who speak to God so as to be able to speak of God. Only in this way will the word of salvation bear fruit. I also wish to address now those who are the closest collaborators of the new Bishop of Udupi. Dear Ready, my felicitation to you, dear Brother Bishop, patroness of this Milagros Cathedral. May she bless you as you continue your pastoral ministry as the first shepherd of this new diocese, so that the message of your Son shine evermore. I convey to all of you on this happy occasion the apostolic blessing of His Holiness Pope Benedict XVI, to whom goes the credit of all of us.
उडपी दिएसेसींत प्रस्तुत वावर करच्या याजकांचे, धार्मिकांचे आणि लायिकांचे प्रतिनिधी आता पुढे येतात. यावेळी आम्ही इगर्ज कॅथोलिक रोमाची गीत
ससनाच्या ससना
सुरेशपरान देव माया दाखोवचे वरस
तितलेच तशें जाल्ल्यान म्हाका मजुरी खंय आसा. अस्कत्यांक जोड घेवचे खातीर अस्कत्यां मदें हांव अस्कत जालो. कशें पुणी कर थोड्यांक बचाव करीचे म्हणल्या खातीर कोणाक कितें कितें
सुवार्थेचे पुस्तक घेवन संभ्रमार बेदिस्ताना लागीं वेताना आमी उबे रावन हालेलुया गावचें. सुवार्थ समतस प्रधान सेवक बिस्पा लागीं सुवार्थ